Bago tayo magpatuloy, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Thank you sa pag-click ng aking video. Good day po sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Sa mga bagong viewers at napadaan lang, by the way, I'm Titaeda. Welcome to my channel. Ang channel na maghahatid sa iyo ng dagdag kaalaman tungkol sa government services, bagong mga balita at informative videos na galing sa legit na resources. Mag-subscribe na para updated ka.
His Excellency President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., distinguished guests, a pleasant morning. Today we shall witness the enactment of two very important measures, the Tatak Pinoy Proudly Filipino Act and amendments to the Centenarian Act of 2016. Without much ado, we shall proceed with the enactment of the two measures. May we request the President to please ascend the stage and approach the presidential table. The following esteemed guests are requested to ascend the stage as well to stand witness as the President signs the enrolled copies of the bills. Senate President Juan Miguel Zubiri, House Speaker Ferdinand Martin Romualdez, Senate President Pro Tempore Loren Legarda, House Senior Deputy Speaker Don Gonzales, House Majority Leader Manuel Dalipe, Congressman Ferdinand Alexander Marcos, Senator Sani Angara, Senator Amy Marcos, Senator Ramon Bong Revilla, Senator Francis Tolentino, Congressman Mario Vittorio Marino, Congressman Ron Salo, Congressman Rodolfo Ordanes, Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin, Special Assistant to the President Antonio Ernesto Lagdameo, Presidential Legislative Advisor Mark Leandro Mendoza, NEDA Secretary Arsenio Balisacan, DOF Secretary Ralph Recto, and National Commission for Senior Citizens Chairperson Franklin Quijano. Amendments to the Centenarians Act of 2016. Upon signing of the harmonized version of the Senate Bill number 2028 and House Bill 7535, it shall be known as Republic Act 11982, entitled An Act Granting Benefits to Filipino Octogenarians and Nonagenarians, amending for the purpose Republic Act number 10868, otherwise known as the Centenarians Act of 2016, and appropriating funds therefore. The law grants senior citizens aged 80, 85, 90, 95, and 100 years old, whether residing in the Philippines or abroad, certain monetary benefits indexed to inflation.
The expansion of the coverage of the Centenarians Act is a homage to the Filipino trait of compassion, and in our culture, none are showered with more kind and loving care than our elderly. Under the new law, Filipinos upon reaching the age of 80 shall receive a cash gift of 10,000 pesos in every 5 years thereafter, and upon reaching the age of 85, 90, and until 95. We do, after all, stand on the shoulders of these giants. But they deserve more than cash in an envelope. What they should get is the support infrastructure that every society owes to its graying population.
If sa tingin mo, natulungan ka ng video ko na ito, nakasave ka sa oras mo, you can click yung thanks button at any amount ay malaking help sa pag-grow ng channel ko. Yan lang po muna ang aking update. Sana ay nakatulong na dagdag kaalaman ang aking shinare today. Ang goal ng aking channel ay mag-create ng awareness Kung ganitong mga topic ang gusto mo, panoorin mo ang mga videos ko na ito. Thanks for watching! Kung may kapamilya, kaibigan o kakilala sa tingin mo ay magiging interesado sa video, please share or tag sila sa comment section. At syempre, if nagustuhan mo ang video, i-like mo na ito at subscribe ka na din. As always, feel free to write your questions, comments, and opinions respectfully. And continue to be a blessing and stay safe!